Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable biometrics and facial recognition on the Spendee Budget Planner app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and if you haven't logged in already, you may proceed forward with your email address and your password or by using your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the timeline page. From here, in order to enable biometrics, just click on the More option at the bottom right corner. Then from the More page, scroll all the way down until you see the Advanced settings. Click on Advanced, and now you have the option to enable passcode as well as Touch or Face ID. Now, it is not possible to enable Touch or Face ID without enabling a passcode. So first of all, set up a passcode by turning on this toggle. You can now set up your desired PIN code. After entering your code for the first time, you will be required to enter it once again for confirmation, and now your passcode has been set. After this, the Touch or Face ID button will also be unlocked. You can now click on it, and you will now be asked to verify by using your fingerprint or your facial ID. Once you scan your fingerprint or your face, you will see that the toggle has now been turned on, and this means that now anytime you exit the application and then open it up once again, you will be asked to enter your passcode, but you can directly use your fingerprint or your Face ID to log in. In order to turn this off in the future, just go into the More option and then go back to Advanced settings and simply turn off the toggle within the Touch or Face ID. You will be required to enter your fingerprint or your PIN code once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable biometrics within the Spendee application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.